Model, 2012 Ford Transit 260 short wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive medium roof van trend TDCi 125ps, long MOT. TSOR repair. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 149661. MOT, the 11th of September 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125ps TDCI-H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs really well, the timing chain is slightly rattling, engine will need repairing or replacing. Worth repairing to get this back on the road. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, one former keeper, cruise control,